Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Back at one of the first houses we ever worked on. We roofed this house back in 2009. Here to fix this very sad window. Good reminder not to let trees grow so close to the house. We've got a Simonton new construction replacement window, all vinyl construction. A lot better fit than the old wood millwork windows that are probably going to all be replaced here eventually. But we felt like this was the best solution to give the customer the best product. Macario's on the inside getting it taken apart. We're going to get all this pulled apart. We'll have to do some modifications. With the new window, we'll replace that crown buildup, change some siding, and this will be a much happier product. I'll keep you posted with the finished product. And as always, if we can help you out with your exterior carpentry needs or interior carpentry needs, we've got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you the first time. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.